Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. A little short video this morning. A very nice car, and this one's having an induction kit fitted. Yeah, let's get on with it. We'll take some photographs, make a bit of video. I love an FN2. So here she is in her current form, with the stock airbox and hose in the way. So this will look a little bit different after this. Don't forget to check out our sponsor, worldoflubricant.co.uk, and make sure you got some oil in your K20, because it's about the only thing that will kill them, not having oil in there. So worldoflubricant.co.uk, use the code DYNO at the checkout, save some money and keep your VTEC healthy. Big bore piece of pipe, lovely. So obviously the induction kit's now down in that corner, and that's this customer's car completed. Hopefully we'll see it again for mapping and things like that, but there we go. That's today's job on this particular car completed. So yes, if you've got a Honda Civic FN2 or EP3 or anything Honda related, give us a shout. We can get you booked in the diary. Any form of modification, maintenance, servicing, fabrication, give us a shout. And then ultimately we can tune it. So yeah, you know how to reach us: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Pick up the phone, be old school, and we'll see you on the next one.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.